Well, hello there YouTube, my name is Lindinger and welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about how to install the proximity voice mod for Minecraft onto your Minecraft server. And today I will be showcasing how to install the mod on a Nodecraft server, and the reason why I'm choosing Nodecraft for this video is because I am partnered with Nodecraft. That said, this video is not sponsored by Nodecraft and Nodecraft is not paying me to do this video, though I will have an affiliate link down in the description below. Feel free to use it or not. If you want to support me as a creator, that does give me a little kickback if you order a server through that link. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's just jump straight into it. So, to start things off with, this is the control panel on Nodecraft. I'll have an affiliate link down below to get onto Nodecraft. The other three links I'm going to have in the description will be Forge. So I'll also show you guys how to install Forge on your server if you don't have Nodecraft. The reason for that is Nodecraft has a pretty simple, like a one-click installer. So basically, it allows you just to install whatever mod, whatever instance, and so on. Directly through your dashboard. So here I can just change version of the Forge that we're going to use today, and so on. But yeah, super easy. The second link I will have is the Simply Voice mod. That will basically, you have the two different files here. You have it in 1.16.4 or 1.16.5. Today we're going to install it in 1.16.4 because that's what I have my server running at and my instance running at. And lastly, I'll have a little the wiki for the mod itself as well. I am not the creator of this mod, meaning I will not be able to explain you guys all the technical aspects of this mod. So if you guys have any technical questions about it, please visit this website and ask in the form section there, or just go through the wiki that will pretty much explain you how to do it. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's go into it. And another thing, just before showcasing how to do this, the reason why I'm making this video is because I got a lot of requests on my previous video, which basically explained you how to install the mod on your computer itself. So basically on an instance. I would actually recommend you guys to watch that one before you actually install onto your server, because you won't be able to connect to the server or test it out unless you have it installed in on your own Minecraft. So yeah, for the link for that will be in the description, or there should be a little video up in your right hand corner that you can click on to check out the video. But yeah, let's get into it. So to start things off with, I'll show you guys the simplest way on how to install it onto your server. I am using, as I said, Nodecraft for this. So let's just start a completely new server. Nodecraft has a really cool thing built in, which is called a one-click installer. So we're basically going to reinstall Forge. I want to have 1.16.4. We're going to use the latest version, and we're going to do a completely fresh install. So yeah, let's wait for that to go through, continue, and let's see. Should already be up. Server is disconnected, but let's start it. Basically, that will extract all the files. As we look into the file manager right now, you only have the main jar files. Yeah, when you launch it the first time, you have to confirm the Minecraft URL. And yeah, let's just wait for it to launch. Go into console. And let's see if we get any errors or any crashes. And there you go. Server's now started. Everything works. Go into File Manager, and you can see it has extracted all the other files and the folders. So, next thing we're going to do is we are going to download the Simply Voice Chat. So, I will be downloading the 1.16.4 version. I actually already have it downloaded, so right there. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the mods folder. Basically, the exact same way how you would install the mod onto your own instance. Wait for it to load. And before we actually do this, I forgot, we actually got to turn off the server. So let's just stop the server, and there you go, server's now offline. So what we do is basically just drag and drop the voice mod jar file into the mods folder. It is now uploaded, close, and then we just restart the server. that, we can go into the console again just to see if everything runs fine, no errors or whatsoever. And there you go, server is now launched. And let's try and see if the server is working and the mod is working. I have the server right here. Let's jump into it. And let's see what happens. There we go. We are now loaded into a new world. Basically, to test it, press V, and here you go. If you press V and you see this screen right here, the mod is working. Let's select our microphone. This is my audio interface for my microphone. That is working. Let's check the speakers. Sennheisers, those are my headset. It's working. And I have it set to push to talk. And we can see the small microphone in the left corner. Perfect. So it is working. There you go. That is the simplest way on how to install it. Every single server hosting company is different. Every single server hosting company's dashboard is completely different. So I don't know if all the other hosting companies have the one-click installer, but let me just show you how to install it if your server hosting company does not have a one-click installer. And for that, you would need to go onto Forge website right here. A link for that will be down in the description. You download the installer. I already have it downloaded right there. So what we start with, we basically just launch it. There you go. And instead of installing on client side, we will install the server. And I will just be doing a completely new folder. We'll just call this one voice mod. And let's extract all the files. So basically this will give us the Forge jar file and all that, so we can upload that to our server and make the server run Forge. And there you go. Successfully download Minecraft server and install blah blah blah. There you go. And here we have the files that we need. So let's say we do not have all these files. So basically I'm going to start a completely new server. So basically what I'm going to do, let's stop the server, and I am going to delete every single file on the server. So it's a completely clean server. Let's delete that. There you go. Now let's upload a couple of files. So what we have is we made ourselves a nice little folder here, and I'm gonna select them all. Here we go. And we also need to upload the folder, but the folder, what we're gonna do with that, we are going to zip it. So because you can't upload a full folder onto a server like that, so instead we're gonna zip it, and there you go. Let's upload that. Perfect. And what we're gonna do is we're going to unzip this one. That was great. And then we're just going to delete the zip file. Cool. So before we start the server, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to overview, and we are going to change the settings on which jar file to use. We can see here that it has the Forge file in the file manager, so we're gonna click on that one, and that's basically it. Save. Let's go back to the overview and let's click start. While we click start, we might as well go into the console just to check if everything is working. Need to confirm these again. Click OK. And server is now launched. There you go. Let's go into file manager. It should have extracted everything. And basically what you do from here is you do exactly what I did in the beginning of the video. You just upload, you shut down the server again. You upload the voice mod and restart the server. And that's basically it. That's how easy it is to install this mod. And then you can do whatever you want from there. Install other mods or some data packs. If you guys want to, I do have a Patreon. And at the moment, I have 2 custom data packs uploaded to my Patreon. Both of them are used in the SMP that I play on, which is called Phoenix SMP, which is a semi-hardcore SMP. Basically, what the 2 data packs do is whenever you die, your Minecraft player head will be spawned on top of a fence. And the other data pack basically does that whenever you die, your entire inventory gets deleted and your ender chest gets deleted, basically giving it a nice semi-hardcore vibe to it. And we have it combined with a public data pack called the Hardcore Respawn. I'll put a link for that in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. Basically, it allows you to respawn people by sacrificing a totem of undying. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comment section. Again, if you guys need any technical help, please go visit the Simply Voice Chat wiki and go into the FAQ or whatever, as I'm not that technical and I won't be able to answer every single question, but I'll try my best. And yeah, that is basically it. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like. If you guys didn't like it, leave a dislike and consider subscribing to the channel. That does help me out immensely. And yeah, have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. On my racing bike, but I didn't really use it anymore, so I